Hi, this is Greg Brennan from the Spa Creek Conservancy. I'm in the Hawkins Cove drainage, which is a little embayment off of Spa Creek, which is off of the Severn River. Um, I'm here down in the drainage to talk to you about what's happened down here. About 100 years ago, this wasn't even part of Annapolis, but since then it's been annexed, and the urbanization and the modern stormwater flows have taken a real toll on this drainage. We think it used to be not nearly as deep as it is now, and certainly since Hurricane Isabel, a lot of the sediment from this little gully is down in Hawkins Cove, so that it's very muddy, rarely more than a few inches deep. When we undertook this restoration, it arrested that sediment flow. It now settles out slowly on the way down to the tidal part, and the restoration we've done, the plant restoration, has allowed hundreds of critters a more chance at a normal life, including humans. I'm looking here at the dragonflies, and behind me is a native spice bush. It came back by itself. And over here is arrow arum in a little wetland. Also came back by itself. Their resilience down here has been amazing. There's hundreds of different caterpillars that are feeding baby birds this spring, and then those baby birds are bringing owls and hawks and foxes, and the whole there's the dog. The whole ecosystem has come back amazingly since the 2018 when we put in this project. Anyway, I really support the work they've done, and we're committed to making this the swimmable, fishable river. Thank you.